Hey guys, it's Robin, RsIslandCrafts. Welcome to my craft room. In this video, I'm going to show you the prize that I sent out to the 20,000 subscriber giveaway winner. By now, Lori should have received her prize and opened her package, so I feel comfortable and safe to go ahead and show you guys, so I don't want to ruin her surprise. So I'm going to go ahead and wrap everything up, give you a little brief talk about what everything is, and then I'm going to package it all up and we're going to send it out to her. Now, my original plan was to put it in a flat rate envelope, so let's see if I'm able to fit everything in there. The only thing I'm concerned about is the vinyl front window pouch. We'll see how that's going to look. So let's do that first, just to remind you. Now, of course, it looks like it's bigger than the envelope. But since the vinyl doesn't go all the way down to here, I feel comfortable to go ahead and just fold it like this so that it will fit in the envelope comfortably. And I'm not folding the vinyl at all, so that is very safe. This is just some quilted fabric. The vinyl only goes to this right here. So I think it's going to be okay, and we're not going to crease the vinyl at all. Just take some tissue paper. Now this is white tissue paper. Lori's going to be able to see through exactly what's in it, but sometimes it's still just nice to go ahead and have something to physically unwrap. No, I'm not the best wrapper when it comes to tissue paper. I kind of do this envelope thing. Now, do you think that the tissue paper is going to stick to that vinyl at all? Maybe we should tuck something in there first. I'm including one of my dishcloths, so we can go ahead and stick that in there. That doesn't cover that all up, now does it? Well, in that case, we should just go ahead and include a second dishcloth, just to make sure everything stays nice and secure and safe, right? Why take any chances? Put that on here. There we go, a little envelope style. Bring this down. It'd be nice if I had some fun stickers and stuff to put on it, but I don't, so we're just going to use tape. And I'm going to be kind and just put one piece of tape. Even though tissue paper is very easy to go ahead and tear open, I want to make sure that, you know, I don't make it difficult, right? Now, I pulled some patterns out of stash that I have. This one is for, what are they calling this? Bucket covers. So you can put some type of a bucket in there and you make a little Easter basket. You can put the handle or without the handle. But I always thought that this was really great, and I had it sitting in my stash for a while to make some type of a crafting container where you can put things inside the bucket and then you have all the pockets on the outside. I believe this is a brand new pattern. I haven't used it. I can't remember where I got it from, but I'm going to include that. If you don't sew, Lori, maybe you want to go ahead and just pass that on to someone else. I received a key fob pocket design as a gift, the pattern, but I already have a pattern, so I'm going to go ahead and include my copy in there. And I did receive a coffee cup cozy pattern, which comes with the Velcro and everything like that as a gift. Now, I am going to go ahead and pass that on also because I have the template that I use for it. So just in case you didn't make them, Lori, you have a pattern already in there, all the instructions, and it comes with some Velcro. So you can do it with Velcro instead of using the hair tie. So let's go ahead and wrap these up. I think I'm going to go ahead and wrap them up together. I think it's okay since they're all patterns, right? Let's wrap these up this way. Let's see if I wrap this. So it's like you want to wrap it up to hide what it is. So I'm going to put it this way so that all the extra paper goes onto the front. Tuck that down. Make it all pretty. You guys are getting a lot of crinkle in. And voila. Not beautiful. But I think it's the thought that counts, right? I'm also including one of the little scissor pouches, Check to make sure I sewed the seam up, which I did. Sometimes I forget to do that for some reason, like I'm waiting to change threads or whatever, so I always double check. Make sure we are free of cat fur. And make sure when I'm done filming that I put these away. I don't get cat fur on it, but I do get a lot of thread still. Wrap this guy up. I used to do a lot of swaps, and we would get all of our special goodies wrapped up in the tissue paper like this, which was fun because even like I said, even though you could see what's in there, you really couldn't see it completely. So it was nice to see all these little packages that you got to open up. Now I would have gotten colored paper, but first I wasn't sure, which colors to get, and then when I got to the store, they didn't have any color anyway. And just because it's that time, I am including a mask. Lori, don't feel obligated. Pass it on if you want. But I thought just because of the season that we're in, and I was going crazy making masks for a bit. I know you guys are like probably rolling your eyes at the way I'm wrapping this, but you know what? It's tissue paper. I do much better with wrapping paper. I'm not sure what made me think tissue paper was a great idea. Now, I could always double it up. Right? It's not like we pay a lot of money for these. I have a little notepad. It's the little things in life. I'm going to include this with a little tape measure and a little chapstick holder. I did not choose a chapstick for you because I feel like that's a very personal decision. I should say that the notebook and the tape measure, I believe the notebook was passed on from a friend. I got this in the mail. I do have several of these already. I picked up a pack myself. So it seems like, sometimes we all think the same, right? And I get duplicates. I have a lot of tape measures. So pass on a tape measure. This you guys saw me make. Hopefully nobody minds that I'm sharing some of the things. A lot of times when you guys send things, you're like, Robin, if you don't need it, just go ahead and pass it on to someone. So I thought it'd be okay to pass it on in the giveaway. There we go. You can't see what that is. And it's only slightly messy, right? Ta-da! So should we wrap it again? Can we be one of those people that wrap things up extra? I mean, Lori's not going to know. She's going to see the dolphin's fabric, but she's not going to know what that is, right? All that. Like, this is definitely a noisy video. I'll take this one. Fold this one in half. Only use half tissue paper because I'm also sending her the wristband, that you wear around, that I wear to stop my bracelet from making noises, and it's also fun to wear. This is the one that's made out of the batiks. I really love both sides. It is reversible, so either way. I think we'll get away with it this way. Wrappy, 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 wrap. Now I'm going to break my one tape rule. Put a piece of tape here. Tape the end so nothing comes flying out. Once again, it's tissue paper. She'll be able to get into it, no problem. We're going to double paper this one because I have fabric. I have this bundle of 5-inch squares. I was going to make, they're all novelty squares. There's 2 of each. I was going to make more of the the little memory games where you sew them and you flip them over so that the kids can decide what they want to do. I only have the fabrics here. I don't have the back fabric or the batting or anything like that. I was just going to use some gray flannel or felt or something with it. I believe it was flannel, of course. So I can't even get this closed. There's so many in. Oh, no, I did get it closed. There we go. So there's so many of them in there, and there's a lot of them, so you can make some type of an I Spy project. You can do the memory game. You can make these smaller and make more memory games, because this is when I was cutting them at 5 inches, thinking, oh, that's a good size, but they came out to be a little bit too large. I'm going to include those in there. If I had to guess, I'd say there's probably 30 of them. So I want to say 30 sets of 2 versus 30 individual pieces, but I could be wrong. Either way, it's a good bundle of charm squares to play with. And the last thing, I'm not going to wrap this. I'm going to go ahead and leave this on top of the package. I am sending one of my fabric postcards. This is the Batik. It says RsIslandCrafts 20K giveaway 2020, so that she knows what it was from. And I'm going to also include a shipping label, so if she wants to keep it or she wants to ship it to someone, that way she can go ahead and take care of it that way. You know, keep it, hang it up, mail it, however it works. Look at the way I wrapped it. I can still see the fabric. I'm going to put it in this way so then she won't notice, right? So here is the little bundle that should easily fit into my flat rate shipping envelope. So thank you guys for hanging out with me. Thank you for entering my giveaway, and thank you for being subscribers. Congratulations, Lori. I hope you enjoyed everything that you got. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye.